In this video, I'm going to be trading OTC stocks on the pocket option platform utilizing the Parabolic SAR indicator and the ADX indicator. Gus Schmidt here, and I'm back again with a new trading video. So today I'm on the pocket option platform, and I'm going to be trading these stock OTCs here. If we go to our assets button here on the left, Pocket Option has various assets available to trade. We have currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, and indices. I'm going to be focusing on OTC stocks as it's the weekend. So when we click on the stocks icon here, we get a drop-down menu of all the various OTC stocks available on the platform here. So what you would do is you go in and enable the star button here, and that way the stocks appear at the top of your chart, and that way you can quickly go through each of the various stocks to analyze them here. Okay, so I'm going to be utilizing two indicators, the Parabolic SAR. So if we click on our indicator icon here, the Parabolic SAR can be found here. Click on that once, and the ADX indicator here. Okay, so for the Parabolic SAR settings, we click on the pencil icon, and I've set the acceleration to 0.025, maximum acceleration to 0.25. In the style settings, I've set the color to green, 2 pixels. So the dots appear here. These are the green dots of the Parabolic SAR. For the ADX indicator, if we go to the settings here, I have the ADX smoothing set to 14. And the DI length set to 7. And in the style settings, I've disabled the ADX line here. We don't need that. So go ahead and disable it. So I have the plus DI color set to green and the minus DI line set to red. Okay. For the candlestick charts, I have my candles set to 1 minute, M1 Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, I have my trade set to 2 minutes. So I'll be taking 2-minute trades while looking at these 1-minute candles. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on McDonald's OTC, and I'm going to take a sell trade here. All right, I just took a put trade or a sell trade, a 2-minute sell trade. Now, the reason why I took the trade is we noticed that the parabolic SAR dots have begun to print above the candles here, these red candles. And in addition to that, the minus ADX line, the red minus ADX line crossed the green plus ADX line in an upward direction. So this tells me that the bears, there are more sellers in control, pushing the price of the McDonald's OTC stock downward. So I'm anticipating a bearish movement to the downside here in the price of McDonald's over the next 2 minutes. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Like I said, first of all, you look for the parabolic SAR dots. They begin to print above the candles, suggesting a bearish reversal from this level of support. Level of resistance here. And the red minus ADX line crossing the green ADX line, suggesting that sellers were in control or bears were in control. All right, so let's wait for this expiration. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Alibaba and I'm going to take a sell trade here. Okay, so the reason why I took the sell trade or the put trade here is we have we were seeing a bullish trend in the price here, but then this parabolic SAR dot printed above the candle here, suggesting the beginning of a reversal here. In addition to that, the minus ADX line, the red minus ADX line crossed the green plus ADX line in an upward direction. So this tells me that the bears have taken control. There are more sellers than buyers. So that's going to push the price of the stock down. And this is exactly what's occurring here. We have another dot that just formed. Uh, so this is the beginning of a reversal here. And the ADX tells us the momentum of the trend. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. This is an optimal trade because we see a sharp cross here of the minus ADX line over the green positive ADX. So this tells us, yeah, there's a strong bearish push. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for our next setup. Okay, so I'm on Exxon Mobil and I'm going to go ahead and take a sell trade here. All right, so I just took a put trade, and the reason why I took the put trade is the parabolic SAR dots have begun to print above the candles here, indicating a bearish reversal starting here. In addition to that, the minus ADX line crosses the green positive ADX line here in an upward direction here. So this tells me that the bears are taking over and that there are more sellers than buyer, thereby pushing the price further down. So what we're going to do is we're going to monitor this trade and wait for the expiration at the end of 2 minutes. Okay, so that trade was a break-even trade. We didn't win, we didn't lose. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Microsoft OTC, and I'm going to go ahead and take a buy trade here. So I just took a call trade, and the reason why I took the trade is the parabolic SAR Parabolic SAR dot just printed here below the candle here, suggesting a bullish reversal here to the upside. In addition to that, the plus ADX line, the green plus ADX line crosses the minus red ADX line here in an upward direction. So this tells me the bulls are in control. There are more buyers than sellers at this price here, thereby pushing the price of the currents, pushing the price of Microsoft OTC up. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration at the end of 2 minutes. Price is pushing nicely upwards here. Like I mentioned, parabolic SAR dots begin to print below the candles, and the plus ADX line crosses the red minus ADX line here in an upward direction. So buyers, there are more buyers than sellers here, thereby pushing the price uh, in a upwards. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next stock OTC. Okay, so I just took a buy trade on GameStop Corp. And the reason why I took the buy trade is we see the parabolic SARs begin to print, parabolic SAR dots begin to print below the candles here. In addition to that, the plus ADX line, the plus green ADX line crosses the minus ADX line in an upward direction. So this tells us that there are more buyers than sellers at this level. So we're going to monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Price continues to push upwards. No retracement yet. Strong bullish momentum. Buyers are in control. Okay, so that trade was in the money. Actually, I took 2 trades here. It was a real good setup, so I decided to take 2 trades. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for one last setup. Okay, so I'm on Exxon Mobil OTC, and I just took a sell trade or a put trade here. And the reason why I took the trade is the parabolic SAR dot begins to print uh, above the candles here. In addition to that, we see a sharp uh, push, a sharp cross of the minus ADX line over the green plus ADX line here in an upward direction. So this suggests the bears are in control, sellers are in control. There are more sellers at this price than buyers. So that will continue to push the price in a bearish direction over the next 2 minutes. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so we're going to end the trading session here. If you like the video, please give it a like, a thumbs up, a comment if you have any questions about the strategy. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested in keeping up to date with my latest trading strategies. I have a link to the platform in the video comments and or in the channel description or bio. If you're interested in trading on Pocket Option. Also, I've been utilizing money management here. I've only been trading with about 5% of my capital per trade. And that's in line with keeping good money management, risking a certain amount. The whole idea is that you will, if you follow the strategy, you will get more wins than losses, thereby growing your account over the long term, slowly but surely. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Parabolic SAR, ADX, trading strategy, Gus Schmidt, and thank you for watching.